Everyone, this is Michael Tritthart. Excited to announce that we have a class coming to your area, and that is going to be on Tuesday, March 22nd. This is going to be a day-long workshop, and what we're going to do in the morning session is go through Become Google Great. And I'm going to show you some really amazing things that you can do with Google. The record for this class, I've had a multitude of people easily make over $100,000 annually with the tools that I share in this class. I had one gentleman last year who made close to $400,000 just from these tools. So this is going to be a powerful session that we do in the morning. Then in the afternoon, after our lunch break, we're going to come back and we're going to talk 7 ways to grow your business. And this is going to be a multitude of topics that we're going to be able to implement right then and there. And then there's another topic that we can actually go out and implement after the session that I had a father and son team in California get back over $1.5 million to their bottom line. This is a class you do not want to miss. Bring your laptop, be prepared to do what we call a tell, show, do class and learn right there in the session. And that's going to be on Tuesday, March 22nd. Click on the link below to get registered and save your seat. See you then.